Day 126, Numbers 35, Revelation 22, Psalm 116. In Numbers 35, God commands the Israelites to set aside cities of refuge, safe places for those who cause accidental death. Justice must be served, but mercy must also be accessible. These cities are signs of God's balance between law and grace. Even in discipline, God provides protection. Revelation 22 is the final chapter of the Bible. The river of life flows from God's throne. The tree of life yields healing fruit in every season. There is no more curse. The Lamb reigns. His servants see his face. Jesus declares, "Behold, I am coming soon." The Spirit and the bride say, "Come." The invitation is open. Freely drink from the water of life. Psalm 116 is a grateful heart song. I love the Lord because he hears my voice. The psalmist walks through sorrow, but God delivers. He lifts the soul from death and restores peace. You're not just reading history, you're part of God's story. He is your refuge. He is coming soon. Like, share, comment, amen, and don't miss the beauty of today's psalm.